This is my first time actually meeting her. What's your name again?
You would do that?
No, I wouldn't. I ain't gonna lie. It's females that like got bald hair that look good. I like your head though. I could give a fuck about this video for real. If you not gonna come over here and do what you supposed to do, I honestly feel like you should just leave.
Then what is it?
Yo, it's Mario brought you back with another video. In today's video, I got a special guest coming to visit me for a mukbang. But what you don't know is, we're gonna be pranking her. We're gonna be making it seem like we're doing a regular mukbang. In reality, we're gonna get real disrespectful with her ass. I'm gonna get to tripping on her ass. I'm gonna be like, I ain't gonna lie, I really invited you over here for you to suck my dick. You feel me? Shit like that. But I don't know. We're gonna see how she react. What's going on YouTube? It's Mario brought you back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing a mukbang, and my guest today is...
I am Tori. Can they hear it? I feel like they're closer.
No, they can hear you for sure.
Today, we are doing...
See, do a little vegan veggie grill. You feel me? Go ahead and show me that love.
He wanted to be like me, so he got the same thing as me.
I really fucked up. I was really supposed to grab some different shit. Damn, I done dropped a scoop of avocado. You fuck with avocado?
Some salt on it.
Oh yeah.
What?
Fuck all that. That shit probably already got salt on it. So what you be into? This is my first time actually meeting her. What's your name again?
Tori.
Tori.
You?
Mari.
Mari?
Yeah. You know what a tweaker is? You say no.
Oh, these peppers are hot.
That's why I said I ain't know we wanted that little shit.
Oh, it's spicy, huh?
They spicy. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie, your ass tripping. Your ass
I'm just
tripping.
kidding.
You ever ate like some, like what's the most vegan best dish you ever had?
What's some like vegan tacos? Or vegan ice cream? It's just fire.
Vegan ice cream? What type, like the almond milk kind?
Yeah.
Or like
honestly, I don't even remember.
You just knew that shit was vegan, huh? So I'm from Detroit, but like you said, you from Cali, right? So like living in Cali, but like how is it? Tell me,
Like in LA or from where I'm from?
Yeah, like you feel like it been a change from like since you was younger living in Cali to now?
From being out here in LA, yeah, for sure.
They been saying it been like a lot of robberies and shit like that. Like
out here is dangerous.
you said it's dangerous. I don't know why, but like when it's like say for somebody in Detroit here dangerous, they don't really think of Cali is dangerous. Like you can respect other cities, but you're not gonna be thinking like. Cause Detroit crazy as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Like everything that you like might think that's crazy here, that shit 10 times more crazy in Detroit.
Yeah, I've never been over there.
You never been there?
To Detroit? No.
You'll go there?
If I have a reason to go there,
You probably ain't gonna find one.
then that's your answer. I'm not going.
Well, shit, fuck it. Guess your ass gonna be going into Detroit. This shit good, this shit bang. Bitch, we got
It's okay.
Damn, who did your hair?
Me.
Girl, that shit nice.
Like curl it or
You say, huh?
like the color or me
Like
curling
just
it?
period, like the whole shit, the whole position ain't.
Oh, it's not mine. It's fake. It's a wig. Imagine.
Oh yeah, you took that motherfucker.
I'm just kidding.
You was gonna walk your ass off, I ain't gonna lie.
You would do that?
No, I wouldn't. I ain't gonna lie. This females that like got bald hair, they look good. I like your head though.
My hair?
I like your head.
My hair.
Yeah, no, your head. Like your face, like everything about it.
Face.
Yeah. Some guys.
Do you want some?
You can have this shit. I really want some of her.
Psych.
Your ass with the sight.
What was your name again?
It's Mari.
Mari?
Yeah.
Why you say
Why
it
you,
like that?
why you throw that little psych in
Why?
there?
Yeah, it's like psych. You thought, you know?
What I thought though.
You want
thought you was gonna come over here and do what you was supposed to do.
Yeah, record a video.
What you mean?
Like I'm like, yeah, okay.
What the fuck is she talking about?
What are you talking about?
She acting like she don't know what the fuck be going on.
I came over here to record a video with you, and that's what I'm doing.
I could give a fuck about this video for real.
I dare take you serious.
Take this shit again. I just told you I'm from
Okay,
Detroit
then.
now.
Okay, what does that have to do with anything?
You never made Detroit, nigga?
No.
Well,
Well, what?
you better learn. Yo, it's already going off on bad start.
About what? I don't care. I don't really like this.
You don't like this? So now you don't like the food, but you just said it was good. So now I just got this shit for no reason.
It's like you're killing my vibe, and it's like my appetite is not there. I'm ready to go. I don't know. It's kind of awkward now.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's making it really awkward.
I don't find none of this shit funny at all.
Okay, quiet.
I don't even remember your name. What's your name? Okay.
Oh, here's this disgusting.
If you're not gonna come over here and do what you're supposed to do,
What is it
I
I'm
honestly
supposed to
feel
do?
like you should just leave.
Then what is it? Alright, then take me home. I'm not tripping about being here with those.
I'm not taking you no fucking way.
Yes, you are. Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Turn the camera off too.
You're not gonna tell me.
Yes. Okay then.
You're not gonna tell me what to do with my camera. Where's you going?
You're weird. Yo, don't ever invite me over here to do a YouTube video with your friend again, cause he's weird as fuck. You can get the camera out of my.
So you just gonna leave?
Yes, and you don't have to follow me.
What are you doing?
Exactly what I just said. What are you doing?
Come on, like you ain't even gotta really act like that. I ain't gonna lie.
You're weird as fuck, bro.
I'm weird.
You're weird.
You over in this bitch tripping.
I don't
You supposed to be in this
care. I
bitch
don't
doing
care.
the sucky, and you over here do a
You got
mukbang.
the wrong impression, first of all. Second of all, you can shut the camera off. Shut the camera off. I don't know who
This
you're
is
trying-
my
I
camera,
don't know who
Tor.
you're trying to. I thought you said you don't know my name.
Whatever the fuck your name is, you can really get the fuck on. Honestly, I don't really give a damn.
Boy, this shit probably bigger than you.
Oh.
For sure.
Yeah. Yo, it's a prank, 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 it's a
This
prank.
embarrassed me in front of everybody.
I didn't
embarrassing.
do that on purpose. I didn't do it on purpose. You're a sweetheart. I don't treat you like that, you know.
Like,
You gonna come back in real quick, chill.
Yes, and tell them that it's okay.
All right, bet. I got you.
Embarrassing.
No, I got you.
Put a hole in your tire really fast. I didn't mean to.
You ain't putting no fucking hole on my shit. Hey, it was a prank, y'all.
Hey, Kyle was looking like this shit is so awkward.
Bro, y'all is funny as fuck, bro.
Y'all